Have you ever felt your stomach rumble loudly, even though you weren't hungry? That sound isn't just a sign of hunger. It's a secret process called the migrating motor complex. Every few hours, your gut sends waves of muscle contractions through your digestive tract, sweeping away leftover particles and bacteria. This cleaning cycle often happens when your stomach is empty, causing those growls. Drinking water between meals may support this process. A simple glass of water can help keep your digestive system moving smoothly. Small habits like this support your body's hidden rhythms.